In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post journals on Xero in just under 5 minutes. Navigating financial software can sometimes feel like walking through a maze, but fear not, I'm here to guide you through the process of posting journals on Xero, making it as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Xero website. It's important to ensure you're logging into your account securely. So, once you're on the Xero homepage, look for the Login button, which you'll typically find in the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to proceed to the login page. Now you're moving toward the heart of the process. At the login screen, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Take a moment to type these in carefully. Remember, you're dealing with sensitive financial information, so ensuring the accuracy and security of your login details is paramount. After you've entered your login credentials, you'll simply click on the login button to access your Xero dashboard. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, but it's crucial to navigate through it with a clear understanding of where you need to go next. At this point, you'll aim to find the accounting menu. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your financials. From tracking your expenses to posting journals, the accounting section is your go-to spot for these tasks. Now, to get to the crux of today's tutorial, posting journals, look for the option labelled Manual Journals under the Accounting section. This feature allows you to enter transactions or adjustments manually, giving you control over your books. It's a critical function for adjusting your records and ensuring everything is accurately accounted for in your financial statements. Upon clicking on Manual Journals, you'll see various options. To proceed with posting a journal, you'll want to click on the Draft option. This takes you to a section where all your draft journals are stored. Draft journals are essentially journals you've created but haven't posted yet. They're in a pending state, waiting for your review or further action. Within the draft section, you'll spot your drafted journal. This part is important. Take a moment to review the draft. It's the perfect opportunity to make sure all the details are correct before finalizing anything. Accuracy in accounting cannot be overstated. It's the backbone of trust and reliability in financial reporting. When you click on your drafted journal, Xero allows you to make any necessary changes. Perhaps there was a minor error in the amounts, or maybe an account needs to be changed. This step is your safety net, ensuring everything is in perfect order before you commit it to your accounts. Finally, once you're confident that everything is accurate and in place, it's time to post your journal. Look for the Post button. This is your green light. Clicking this signifies that you're ready to make your entry official. Once posted, your journal will affect your financial statements as intended. It's essential to approach this final step with the mindset of double-checking everything. A moment of patience here can save you a significant amount of time and effort in rectifying errors later. The beauty of Xero is its intuitiveness, but it still relies on the user's diligence to ensure the financial data's integrity. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: make it a habit to regularly review your posted and draft journals. Consistency in monitoring and updating your financial records not only keeps you compliant, but also gives you a clearer picture of your financial health. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of posting journals on Xero. As with any financial software, the key is understanding the workflow. Once you're familiar with the process, it becomes a powerful tool in managing your financial records efficiently. Thank you for tuning into today's video. Remember, managing financial records doesn't have to be a daunting task. With tools like Xero and a step-by-step approach, you can ensure your accounting is accurate, up-to-date, and reflective of your financial status. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll be navigating Xero like a pro.